Hi, fans of high quality entertainment. So, my 19th anniversary of being on YouTube is coming up, February 9th. 19 years. Anyway, just recently I uploaded one of my older videos where I was doing a Hungry Man dinner food review. Of course, these days there's a lot of foods I can't eat because I have celiac disease, so everything has to be gluten-free, which kind of sucks. But, I still will do some more food reviews at some point. Gluten-free, of course. But, yeah, I was just thinking it might be fun for some of my, especially my viewers that have been with me for a few years, to look back at some of the old videos. Believe it or not, I rarely go back and look at these old videos. And, some I remember better than others. I definitely remember these, especially, how to vacuum a cat fail, which is the last one I'll show you, because I kind of hurt myself. So, my cats, Jinx and Ernie, once in a blue moon, just, I'm vacuuming. I might put the brush on the end of the vacuum, turn the power down so it's lower, and I would vacuum with them, and they would like it for the most part. There might be once or twice they'd, take off or whatever, and I just leave them. But if a cat didn't like you, vacuuming them or whatever, they would just take off. So my cats actually did enjoy being vacuumed, as you'll see, for the most part. And then at the end, like I said, I'll show you the one time I got hurt. It's time to vacuum the cat. So this was, 9 years ago. Yes, I'm really going to vacuum. Well, I can vacuum both of my cats. They don't really mind it. Sometimes they take off and, whatever. But for the most part, I mean, they would take off if they hated it. So they don't really mind. Look at her face. She knows what's coming. But like I said, she would definitely take off if she didn't like it. And then gentle, as you can see. Look at that cute face. And then I think I played enough. Now I'm going. Yeah, mittens. Look at that. You can just tell that she wants to be vacuumed. She didn't want to be vacuumed, so I didn't bother. Right? And there's another video here. Yeah, and this time she liked being vacuumed. Now, she used to be terrified of the vacuum cleaner, but she's gotten to trust me, and she also appreciates that I'm vacuuming up all of her cat hair. I just wish she'd do it once in a while. There we go, and if it's on. Yeah, she likes that. So that's Jinx and Mittens. So before I had Jinx and Mittens, I had a cat, a beautiful cat named Ernie. There's Ernie. And so when Jinx was a kitten, Ernie was kind of like a mother to Jinx. There's older videos where they're play fighting and all that. You might have seen them. And so Jinx was once again, a very sweet cat, and she didn't mind being vacuumed. But in this video, like I said, I hurt myself. Wasn't planning to. So there's something going on with the hose for the vacuum, so I'm trying to straighten it out. And the heavy part of the vacuum, the hose or whatever, landed on my foot, and I still remember the pain to this day. Here we go. So yeah, this was 14 years ago and has over 33,000 views. I'm going to show you how to vacuum a cat. It's a very dangerous thing to do, so you have to be careful. Yeah, you're about to see a man in pain. We have an older vacuum and the one end keeps coming off. It landed directly on my big toe. I am not acting. Thank you. I love Ernie's expression too when... That hurt. I swore. And then after that, he's fine today. But yeah, it's fun to look back. And I was thinking, for my older viewers, if you enjoy this, please remember to leave a comment below and like the video, and I'll do more. And if you have any suggestions for an older video for me to look back on and, react to, then let me know in the comment section below, food reviews or whatever. Or a Phil McCracken video. But, yeah. I miss all of my cats. And I also had a beautiful dog, Elmo, that passed away from cancer. And, yeah, pets are the best, even when you vacuum them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.